So today we're going to do Kujou Sara's hair. The only thing you need is a square hijab and her headpiece. To start off, as usual, just fold it in half diagonally, make a triangle, put it over your head just so we can get a base. Both lengths should be the same, and secure it in place with 1, 2, and 3. On the top, we're going to pin it slightly to the left because when we pull our bangs from the back, it's going to cover only this side. So just take this and pin it over here. Now take a layer from the back and bring it in front. With only this covering your head. Only one side. And before pinning it down, take the other side, bring forward and fold it so it creates a little triangle. The purpose of this part is so we have more layers on this so we don't see this, as you can see. Now once you have this, we're going to take this side, scrunch it up, bring it all the way to the other side, and you pin these down. And now what you're going to do is get this side, scrunch it up, pull it all the way to this side, and you're going to only pin this side, not this side yet, because we're going to move the mask in place. Now take the mask, slide it into here, position it wherever you feel comfortable, and then take this side and you can extend it down. Just use another needle to secure this in place, and we are done.